Hi, welcome to Nichecraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and I am about to pick the winner for my July giveaway. So I had a whole bunch of really awesome things in this giveaway. It was my luxury giveaway, and you're seeing a little bit of what's in it on my screen right here. So to do this, I am going to pick a comment with this YouTube random comment picker. Now I want to let you guys know that this is available at commentpicker.com. Just wanted to let you guys know where I got it. So I have entered the video URL. I filtered for duplicate users, only one entry per person. I have excluded myself because I commented back to you guys so many times. And I got to do a math problem, which wasn't so hard. So now I am going to find out how many entries there are. And once I find that out, then I am going to start the raffle and pick a random winner. So we are going to get these YouTube comments. Oh wow, 457. That is the most comments I've gotten on one of these giveaways so far. So, alright, but it's still relatively small, so you guys you do have a chance to win. So all I have to do is hit this button and we will pick a winner right here. Let's go. And the winner is Cheryl Hensley. What a giveaway! I can't believe all the luxurious yarn. You really hit the mark. I freaking love Noro, the best of all yarns. I love dahlias, so that Hobie yarn is perfect. I've wanted that Cotton King pink yarn forever, and I would love the set of hooks. Thank you for a fantastic giveaway. Well, thank you so much, Cheryl, for entering to win it. And I just want to point out that she did answer the question, which was, what is your favorite kind of yarn? She said she liked Noro, the best of all yarns, which I can definitely understand. Alright, Cheryl, so what I need from you is for you to email me. You can get my email address either by looking in the description or by looking at the pinned comment in the comment section, okay? All you need to do is send me an email with a address where you can accept mail, and I will get that in the mail to you tomorrow. And those of you who did not win, no worries. I have a new giveaway right now, and I'll have another one coming up very, very soon. You will have so many options to win, and since this channel is still relatively small, you will have a high chance of winning compared to later on. Alright guys, so everybody congratulate Cheryl. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just wanted to remind everybody that I have the crochet along video coming out tomorrow, so be sure to watch, and we are going to be doing the basket weave stitch. See you soon with another video. Bye!